হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, হাউ আর ইউ অল? আই হোপ সবাই ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো। তো এই ভিডিওতে আমি একটা জব নোটিফিকেশন নিয়ে এসেছি, যেটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা জব। এবং এই ভিডিওটা থেকে তোমরা বুঝতে পারবে যে এটার জন্য কতটা প্রিপারেশনের দরকার হয়, কিভাবে অ্যাপ্লাই করবে, কি করে ডাউনলোড করবে অ্যাডমিট কার্ড, সমস্ত কিছু জানবে। কিন্তু তার আগে তোমরা জেনে রাখো, এই এক্সামটা পড়াশোনা না করে দেওয়া যাবে না। প্রচুর পরিমাণে পড়াশোনা করতে হবে, প্রচুর পরিমাণে জ্ঞান থাকতে হবে, এবং ইউ হ্যাভ টু নো অ্যাবাউট দ্য সাবজেক্ট আ লট। তারপরেই কিন্তু তোমরা এই জবের জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করো, তারপরেই কিন্তু তোমরা এটার ফর্ম ফিল আপটা করো। আদারওয়াইজ আমি বলছি প্রিপারেশন কিন্তু খুব খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। So chalo, let's start our video today. In this video, I am going to discuss about the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh. বাংলাতে বলতে পারো বাংলাদেশের মহা হিসেব নিরীক্ষক ও নিয়ন্ত্রক এর কার্যালয়। P&AG is the Supreme Audit Institution, যেটাকে SAI বলা হয় বাংলাদেশের কিংবা দেশটা। Like the SAIs in many other countries across the world, the institution or this institution is established by the Constitution of Bangladesh. This institute is responsible for maintaining accounts of the Republic and audits of all the receipts and expenditures of the government of Bangladesh. Not only this, it also includes those bodies of authorities who are substantially financed by the government. The reports of CAG are discussed by the Public Accounts Committee, which is a standing committee in the Parliament of the Bangladesh, or in any other country of each particular country, but for this it's Parliament of Bangladesh. In more recent times, in addition to carrying out the traditional approach of conducting financial audits and compliance audits, the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh, which we say OCAG, has introduced performance audits, which focuses on evaluating economy, efficiency, and effectiveness in the management of public resources of different government entities. Not only this, at present there are 17 different audit directorates which are carrying out various audits on behalf of the CAG in the government offices and the public sector entities. Each of the directorates is headed by a directorate or director general. Audit observations involving considerable financial anomalies are primarily included into advanced files or AP. Data considering adequately the responses of the auditee organization and the concerned principal accounting officer, which is often the concerned secretary of the ministry or the Ministry of Secretariat. Advanced paras might be transformed into draft paras, which we say as DPs. The DPs form part of the audit reports if it is justified and approved by the CAG of Bangladesh. A list of audit directors I am sharing with you. Firstly, Directorate of Civil Audit, Directorate of Revenue Audit. This is also a very important function. Directorate of various other departments are there. Third most important is Directorate of Commercial Audit. Next, we have Directorate of Audit Works or Directorate of Works of Audit. Fifthly, we have Directorate of Transport Audit, Directorate of Foreign Aided Project Audit or Foreign Aided Audit. Next, we have Directorate of Postal, Telecommunication, Science, and Technology Audit. This is also termed as T audit or Technology Audit. Next, Directorate of Defense Audit. We also have Directorate of Health Audit. Apart from this, we have Directorate of Education Audit, which is a very important factor in Bangladesh, which is also very active also, I will say. Directorate of Agriculture and Environmental Audit, which is very much involved in the cases of environment and farming, agriculture, all this. Next, Directorate of Local Government and Rural Development Audit. Next, we have Directorate of Social Safety Net Audit. We also have Directorate of Power and Energy Audit. Next, we also have Directorate of IT, that is Information Technology and Public Services Audit. Directorate of Constitutional Bodies Audit. Next, we can say that it's also a very important one, which I'm going to say, Directorate of Mission Audit. Also, these comprises the important departments of audits: Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh Job Circular, Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh, which we say as OCAG Jobs Circular, for this year, that is 2021, have already been published. The OCAG recruitment notice was published on 18th of February 2020. The recruitment notice contains detailed qualifications for all the posts, last date of the application, how to download the admit card, then admit card information, information regarding recruitment examination, and instruction regarding the recruitment test result, everything is there. As per the job circular, 309 people will be recruited in one category. Notable positions are auditor. So you can apply online through ocagteletalk.com.bg. Eligible and interested candidates can apply only through the online mode. Application fees also has to be paid through the Teletalk communication service. Online application will start, which had already started on 20th of February 2020 from 10 a.m. Applications can be submitted till 19th of March for 2020. Now, there were few instructions that were given. So firstly, you had to visit the ocag.teletalk.com.bd website, the online and SMS-based recruiting system website of Office of the Comptroller Auditor General of Bangladesh. Next, you had to click on the application form. There was an option, click here to apply online. So this option you have to click. Next, select the position you want to apply for. After you have selected, fill out the application form with all the required information that has been asked. The next step is to upload your recent photo and your signature. Images should be 300 by 300 pixels and the file size should be maximum 100 KB. Signature must be between 300 by 80 pixel and file size should be maximum 60 KB. If all the information is duly correct, then you can submit the application form. But before that, have a careful check. Coming to the payment instruction, candidates had to pay the application fee within 72 hours of successfully applying online. Failure to pay the application fee within the particular or the stipulated time, even after the application, will result in rejection of the application. You can pay through the Teletalk communication services, prepaid mobile in different posts of Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh. The application fee has to be paid through two separate messages. The first message is you have to go to your message option on your mobile phone and type OCAG space user ID and send the message to 16222. When the first message is sent, you will receive a reply. The return message will include your details, amount of application fee, and a PIN number. If all your information is correct, you need to send the second message using this PIN number that has been sent to you. The second message is you again have to go to the message option of your mobile phone. Then you have to write OCAG space yes space PIN number and send it to 16222. If the second message that you have sent will be received, then they will send you a congratulatory message. The congratulatory message will include all your information. Along with that, you will also receive the user ID and password. Using this user ID and password, you will have to download the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh's admit card later on. So do not delete the message. Keep this message safe because you have the user ID and password there. The Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh, which is the OCAG Admit Card 2021, had already been published. CAG Admit Card 2021 had been published for the post of auditor position. Exam date has also been published. Candidates are being informed about the issue of the admit card through an SMS. So if you are one of the applicants, you will receive an SMS regarding this. A notice in this regard has also been published on the website of the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh. Eligible candidates can be downloaded their application or the admit card menu from the Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh recruitment website, which is their official website. So the exam date, the CAG exam date had already been published. Auditor exam will be held on 22nd of October 2021. So the updated news will be published in their official website saying Comptroller and Auditor General এর কার্যালয় অডিটর পদের প্রিলিমিনারি রেজাল্ট প্রকাশ করা হয়েছে, সেখানে আপনারা রেজাল্ট দেখুন কিংবা অ্যাডমিট কার্ড ডাউনলোড দেখুন, সেখানে অপশন থাকবে। তো নাও এবার আমি বলে দেবো ডাউনলোড কি করে করতে হবে অ্যাডমিট কার্ডটাকে। Eligible candidates will be able to download the admit card after receiving the message regarding the MCQ or the written examination. Candidates can also download the admit card even if they do not receive any SMS. The admit card download start date is mentioned in the SMS and the notice. Candidates must download the admit card within the stipulated time frame because it will not last till long. So you have to follow the time frame that is given and you have to download before that. It can be downloaded through the ocag.teletalk.com.bd. You can click on the website and you can download the admit card. The login option of this website can also be downloaded with the user ID and the password that has been provided to you. Candidates will be provided user ID, password, and download link through the SMS, so you need not worry about it. It can also be downloaded by logging in with the user ID and the password that had been given to you or to the candidate while you were applying online. If a candidate loses the user ID and password, then it can be recovered from the recovery option of the same website, so you do not panic about that. Now, let me give you some important hints about the Viva test. After passing the written examination, the candidates will be called for the Viva test. For Viva exam, written examination pass candidates must submit some important documents to the OCAG authority. These documents have to be submitted to the authority in the Viva time. Important documents, what you need to carry, I am going to discuss that so you can keep a note of it. You have to submit a print copy of applicant form from online application. Then you have to produce all the academic certificates or documents which is mentioned in the application while you were filling the online application form. Next, you have to provide national certificate or photocopy of national ID card. Then you have to provide character certificate, experience certificate if you have any. Then you have to provide the tribal certificate if you have any, if the candidate or if you are applying from the tribal quota. All the documents have to be attested by first class gazetted officer. Now talking of the OCAG seat plan. Seat plan is a very important thing. So Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh will be published the exam schedule, center, venue, and other related all important and related information on their official website and definitely in the daily newspaper also. So candidates will be notified by SMS about the exam date and everything. After downloading the admit card, you will be finding that the exam date, venue, time, address, and other information conveyed to you. Before exam authority will be published the detailed seat plan on their website. You will find here all the updated information if seat plans are available for MCQ or not. It can be for MCQ, written or Viva boards. OCAG exam result has also been published for this year, that is for the post of auditor. So CAG auditor result, which is published for the preliminary test, has been published. So if you want to search for that, you have to go to the search option of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh exam result. Visit their website, that is cagbd.org, and you can get them. Let me give you a brief summary about this OCAG exam. The organization name is Office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of Bangladesh, which is short formed as OCAG. The job position is auditor. The job circular published date was 18th of February 2021, which was a Tuesday. Application time started on 20th of February, Thursday, 2021 at 10 a.m. The application time limit was 19th of March up till 19th of March, which was Sunday for Thursday 2021 up till 5 p.m. OCAG exam date was 22nd of October, which was a Friday, from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So this was the job summary I have given you. So you can understand that for this year, that is 2021, it has already been done. So if you want to prepare yourself, you have to prepare for the upcoming year, because the job circular for 2021 was published in February. So February is very near. So if you want to apply for this kind of job, you can understand very well how important job this is. This is an auditor job. So you have to take adequate or enough preparations to apply for it. So I will say you stay updated, because very recently you will get the updated information of the job circular for 2022 also. So in that case, without preparation, you won't be able to give the exam or pass through it. So I will say you take time, prepare yourself, and whenever the job circular is out, do apply for it. তো আজকের মতন ভিডিও এখানেই শেষ করব। আশা করছি আমার ভিডিও থেকে যথেষ্ট ইনফরমেশন পেয়েছো তোমরা। সমস্ত রিলেটেড ইনফরমেশন আমি দিয়ে দিয়েছি। So if you want, you can replay the video and find all the information regarding this particular examination. So I will wish you all the very best for your future. ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, সাবধানে থেকো। Thank you.